This is probably the worst piece of carbon fiber I've ever had to repair. It's for a Scion TC. This will take a lot of sanding to remove all the old clear coat and epoxy, but I think I can save it. Let's give it a shot. First, I started with 180 grit and noticed it was not enough, so I grabbed a 80 grit sandpaper. Not going to lie, I was scared at first, but I was able to sand the clear and epoxy very easily then. I made my way to 800 grit at the end.
So after all of that sanding, which it took a lot of sanding because this is probably the ugliest, the most damaged carbon fiber piece that I've ever worked on. So I sanded the whole thing, and unfortunately I burned through here, actually burned through the weave and in a few spots. So I was supposed to just re-clear it, but I had an idea because I don't want to give this back to the customer with a bunch of burn throughs. I had some of the honeycomb stencil left. So I did a little trial right here, and I just put a little bit of paint, just enough that you can see the weave. And on some spots where it's burned, I'll just go a little bit darker. As you can see right here, there was a burn through right here, and I just went a little darker and I faded it out. I gave that idea to the customer. They say, hey, you're the professional, go ahead and do it. This whole piece is gonna go black in the middle. That was just way too rough. So that's going all black. I am gonna mist some black and then try to fade it out. I think it's gonna look really cool. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like.